But if them they are Seaview guard in the morning and drop down me I run. No! And if no boy and a girl war them, yeah, me know me I run. No. Them know that. They know. Them know. Them know that. Them know. Them know me have them back lock. Them know. Cause finger think you can't chop it off. And I'm done my mama already. You're not gonna know them stuff because I'm make you repeat them Nessa. You want in my caught up in my business, in my world. They say you can't in my world because I play dance ship. A dance ship me play Nessa, I don't play butter pancake. Or umpus come play dance ship in a dance world. I don't do Bible verse. I don't read my Bible and pray. Certain things me not do. If you are tech jokes, tech jakes, ease off of me. Advocate for your man and him youth them. Ease up off of me. You know, too look a bit I want to be seen too much. And upon a regular they will not smell good.
Okay, boom viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, already know the thing's set. We're blessed. You also know the story ain't complete if minute up on the beat and this can't see. But on the screen, one bag of whole heap of sentences are going on the 13th. You know, my people, put in the comment section if you believe in these superstitions. Because you know, today is Friday the 13th. And you say, well, go on for that to go out with Rosealee, crashing out over Akeem and Shakes. But nevertheless, before we get into that, as you can see, look at her wild up in baby mother's wickedly, you know, saying that she lose access to the most important thing that requires her attention, which is her child. Listen, I say they're going back and forth on IG, as you can see, and things. You know what I mean? I kind of said that he won full custody, and she never told like that. You know, she should come back and tell the full story and leaked his messages. Yeah, she is telling the world that look at Adi act up them 1-year-old daughter and migrated to the United States of America. You see it, right? Just so listen, I said a man get her a visa and, you know, whatever behind her back because she didn't sign, you know, thing for her get her a visa for her go to America. No, she leak him DM saying, you know, basically he don't know what's wrong with him, why he does all of these things. He has a condition and things. But she's not buying the BS, you know. Listen, man, saying she's stressed and she want her daughter Akila back. We drop that review pan with Mixup and Things channel, so go and check it out. When you're done here with Rosealee, I said, because boy, oh boy, she's supposed to be, you know, getting herself all lovey up and spending this, you know, nice night and day with Akeem, but boy, she just step on Shake's tail. And as you can see, she there Seaview, so you know she's in her own elements with her load mouth and things. That's what the people them was saying on the people them comment. So let's hear what I go on for that to go on and proceed with the next. Because, you know, just keep in mind, you know, Hakeem is the mastermind and, you know, they're planning a Valentine's. We did it first, special tomorrow, but don't have to subscribe, you know, meaning pay for see that. So, you know, controversy, I said, this is my answer.
Because the first time I meet Netta, I say rat, a toodle, in a noodle soup. Can't drink because the color don't even look tasty. First time I meet her, if ever a rat. I mean, when I Jake's for them, say, where Jake's get that rat there from? I say, a pure rat him take. He's a rat. Ratitoodle. You don't even dress appropriate. You look like a girl who had a topless. Somebody who out her backward, who turn business. The first time I saw you in Seaview Garden. So, but oh, I know for sure that when the girl them come here to Jake, Rose in an argument. Oh, I never in an argument with Kiki. Kiki always in an argument with me for clout. Because I actually like Kiki till she get too enough. I not like Nessa. Because you're well enough. The man that belongs to me, my man I eat. Me and the man today. So co-parent, they think that me and the man that go there. No. Co-parent I will talk about. If any event I come at school, the clothes buying, lunch money, back to school and any event we are keep, we say, oh, we can come together and process who do this or who do that. If I'm going to get that person the money for do it and then me give him back the money. And then there's something we are trying to organize. When we can ring him phone and him answer, we have a conversation which is civilized. And that I want between me and Jakes. And we can cut Kwam and that's it. Cause me name baby mother. Me name baby mother. Me not know what, me not know space in my life. Me not busy with that woman want to do with. But I me name baby mother. So if I'm married tomorrow morning, and the ring up on my finger and him sign, that man can't tell me don't talk to my baby father. I'm on the phone with my baby father discussing something about the kids. I can't take my phone, I ain't got my phone. No time. If you want, excuse me if I'm speaking my conversation that are your business. Because when I chat to jokes, I never blood clot talk to him. I don't want to talk to him secretly. I don't want to hide and talk to nobody. Because I don't hide from the room. I don't share my nothing. You two angle one of the like dog. I want if you stop Tom and Jerry cartoon. Release me now. Or you know, say move on with my man will make me happy. You blind? Jokes, I'm going to charge him a G. I know him a long time. 12 years, I know him. And him breed me. Put that aside. We have the kids them and certain circumstances that we are trying. Men, everything, and got the kids them in. But the them feel good, them a grow. Every day can't be the same, the youth them a grow. What is wrong with that? You need to pinch your rugrat them, Jake. As much as you pinch your rugrat them and tell your rugrat, leave her. Shouldn't me know she not see you. Leave her. Make you stay. Nobody advocate for me. Because you're in a box of advocate for Jake, so you can't go in and give gallery. You're broke and hungry. I don't know own one man and broke. I don't know own one man and broke. I don't know own one man and broke. I don't look at it and think. Like teenager road. Think. Own one man and broke. No, it's true. We don't know how them one man and broke. When you broke on one man. When you broke on one man. Disney trip of $2,000 US per person. The Disney trip over big school of $2,000 per child. I mean, no, I say, Akeem, you have 1,000. You can't give me 1,000, you give me it. When Jake's find 15,000, where you going to find your 1,000? Nessa, you work an advocate. Shut your ass, broke girl. Go sit on one side, cockroach. We're in a system pipe, go sit on one side. Go one side. And that's him not telling him, I feel like you know, come get bright. Bitch, I help me one go one side because you can't help me. You can't help Jakes? Oh, you advocate for Jakes. You can't advocate for the 560,000. You can't say, oh, stop. We want to live in a SSAP as soon as possible. I look for you. I like that. I have the money. Go on, I want to avoid me. Go on, I have the money.
My belly hurt.
Go on. I'm looking at my purse. I find money for you. Yeah, boo-boo? Me no want to like. Me still looking at my purse. Eh? The man want to look at building if you go live in as soon as possible. And you can't. Next time you can find one true as ASSAP as soon as possible. You can never find the first 100,000 if you give me say EBMs. I don't know no one man I'm broke. Oi, Barry. Where you go? How far?
Not far.
Oh, may I come, may I wrap up this. May I wrap it up and come. See the money I be. Come here, come buy the Red Bull for me about opium. Me give the girl the rest of the money for my eyelash. Nobody go with my money, you know.
No, man, I'm for going.
Don't go with my money, you know.
I'm for going with your money.
Alright, go on and come. Don't go with my money, you know. Yeah. I'm going to do my eyelash. My man will go tomorrow. I will just clear my chest tonight because they got text upon me from the other blood clot. I'm tired of she. I'm going to want to bust my mouth. Come in, oh, no one. I say something just grieve my spirit. Oh, someone no want man I'm broke. Trot. See me, Anya? As I raise my honor to the hills of the country of the ungodly, Me say if Drake say there with all sassy moon feel now we a blood clot, God know. Cause probably sassy can't help him go fine when she get tax return. Drake said one gift on her trailer, but they want gift her. We can't fly out. Where do them all Sesame Street there? Them walk out barefoot out, man. Them hungry more than you. And this is the things where take somebody who can help you, where you take below your hungriness. Nessa, you and your kids them can go over Nessa yard for a weekend go and stay? No, because you don't live nowhere. Sesame Street, Elmo, Big Bird, Cookie Monster, and the one of the blood clot character in one. Not blood clot, she. He born me. Tap, look for people who can help you. Yeah. As much as I like the girl. And when I say this, I not talk with spitting in my mouth. I bet you go and par with candy hype up your thing. You do dirtiness of them. Go and pour with candy and candy hype up your thing. Sometimes I just saw it go. I don't me and she no friend neither. I mean, me and them I not like them. But you go and pour with candy, you go down a club and you do your thing. I'm running my bus it for she too. But she not trouble, so me not trouble, I tell the truth. We are doing thinking, Nessa. When candy can reach out and shoot you 1, 2, 3 line, when Nessa can give you. And that me a talk, but you need help because you have your youth them charge you not talk about that. So. You be the more comfortable in them parents' house. Them can't pull fridge and see fridge and pull every minute. Them want it.
I want pick
Parent. Them can't stay up whenever them feel like near man do anything when they want to. How are you? Them are we see them burden, them nastiness. You over here in a bag of chatting with over here make some little weird scale in a bag of chatting with me. Like that's no so me see her and spit in her face in her real life. Pay for it. Avoid my girl. I don't want a man who can never take care of a man. My son I eat. I ain't a girl where me I tell her I say any girl where I go come bury them a long time all barker span them if you have money. I mean you can't I mean I sit down and advocate for no boy when me can't help. Oh you mean? You're mascot? Before a minute come over here with Jake, she and Jake should chat pan phone I'm there right there. But just walk quick because when I can't help you and help you, one charge you. Know the code. If me there with somebody and somebody come for help them, I can't help you, make you go and go look at help. Nobody bury yourself down for me. Because I can't help you, because I look too. Helper look helper. You be man elevate two and level up. Charge just because you're a waste man. So I'm like a cockroach girl. When I make no sense. She advocates for she can't go in a gift gallery. When you go where man have sense. And them things that them can't go because have no sense. I mean I cuss him have sense. Play too much and make your money. Elevate yourself, charge. We are role model for you then when we are winning, make them smile. You get a bus to go from me, get a bus to go from me. We'll come back, you told go look but with 2 pitney visa. Them take plane too. Them in a close too. Them live somewhere too. Them nice too. The same thing where the same struggles where we get in our life we don't want it for our youth them. Me a done make a pass on that. Now Father God open the gate to you make some little scumbag a come night. What to the promise what they done make from back then. The same struggles we got through as you don't want you them got through it. And it me a talk about. That me a talk about. The life where we live in want them live it. Cause we live it rough. And that me a talk about. Like when you look at scrums of the earth, now be it frowns the body, girl. We can put a one shot up. And when the belly was, you see up under the marrow. Because them are germs. I say you can't chat to me with the belly, we can see up in your marrow. When a girl, I move and your time this. Excuse me. You can't come on a train here. Yeah. Get your place up. Make me big Rosealee wanna claim to say kill this and talk the worst about. Can't go furniture out my pitney side. We're gonna want furniture to my bam. Put one 2 bed night. I want big bed night. Chester drawer, big flat screen TV, fridge, everything for them comfort. Gaming, everything. And a itch. When I live at Seaview, I put on money in my drawer. Every day money there, I ever have money in my yard. So my people them come from school and I'm sleeping and they're hungry, them take out what them want and go spend and make them used to things. I want them for used to things. And I want them for used to it and when it's enough. Because when pitting I want them, I walk and do things. So if I'm doing things, it has to be a different reason. I'm wrong or I'm right. I know exactly what I say. I'm realize me and that man living bad over here not gonna make no sense. Me and him not there. TikTok, but I'm a baby for them all will live good. So the kids them can grow up and say, alright, mommy and daddy, alright? Alright. Daddy call mommy and tell mommy say, tomorrow, I want something for go do something. You know, say that say she want something for go do something. Me I can't come, me I drop it off. What wrong with that? Why if hours live like Tom and Jerry cartoon for suits up? Somehow no. If you can't sit down and have a laugh, can laugh when I laugh for me and Jakes. Because someone know over when our business live worse than we. I true him not acknowledge that yet. Someone know in our business live worse than we. For the baby father now look. Before the baby turn toddler much as $1. Them now look. Baby father 9, 8, 9, 10, 16, 8 to 30 and 32 somehow know. Lightning strike the pace twice. Same place twice to somehow the baby father 8 to know. Someone who can even chat to the blood clot baby father and this life now the next. Can the man 8 to know. When me can call this as the Drakes, but Chantal says she want. Someone who can't pick up the phone and say, Rick, you're not come for Rick, you're not come for Nick. Rick, you're not come for Nick today or Friday. What are you come? You can't pick up the phone and do that. And that's why I hate the word called parenting. Because I don't want me to live the same. Me only not gonna live the same. And another note, come down after that. Come down and drop that. And another note, come here. For the people that are over here. So the dress, the puffy dress from me wear, guy, the soft girl ever try. You know, so somebody buy me and support her. Me say on walk, me tell on disgusting. On walk and look for all the price tag. Me now wear their clothes, you know. Come here, me on a reason. Me not buy no close to 2,000 US. Me not buy no close to 1,000 US. Not even 5 bills. Me not buy no clothes. I'm going to take picture night to them if I go park it for all the next century. Me can't put it on again. Me I come from nothing to something. Me not frightened. Me not frightened for big house pan the hill. Me have one suit alone on my bill. Enough of them lose them seat. Lose themselves again in the world. Me not switch to the table turn. Me not frightened. Oh, me have my bank book. Me not frightened. Anybody who come and say no, Rose show off. Rose face stiff and man, that's what she done. She not no manners. Me not frightened. Me not buy. So I put on my 2 In and out. You don't have to walk and search how much feet. Come in and buy for no bag of money. Worse when me now work back gun nowhere. But put it on today and then you don't have to see me night again till next to never. Now walk and search how much for them. Life is more valuable more than clothes and boot. Me not dress to impress. Me not walk to impress people. Me not live to impress people. Me have college fund for soon pay. Graduation and college fund for soon pay. And then me put in one lawsuit, ton lawyer. Me go put her in a law firm. Me have college fund for go soon pay. And tuition fee. Me not frightened for nothing. Don't follow me up. Me that a girl with dressy, go-to and chatty and nuffy. Me's a nice, calm, jovial person. Me can't sit down on my and play some music and drink my liquor and enjoy my own company. Don't follow me up. No walk and take up me come in and walk. Me not buy nothing there. I mean, I beg nobody buy me nothing there either. You have enough gifts to come. Rose, where you want me to buy when I can afford? Because you know you nothing to put on. When me a beg over here, I will me beg and post. I really, me say somebody can't show me a lion really in a blue moon, can't show me feet. Really, it got to come naturally from some girl who really like me. Don't follow me up. And I buy no close to 2,000 US. I'm going to take picture in night for that event tonight. I'm going to take picture for you say, wow, tomorrow morning, my 300,000 for park. And I can't wait back go nowhere because I can't even wait next week gonna wait now. Because I asked them that I saying the last week. Come here. You know some people when I haven't do the most? I live in the ghetto, I come from the streets. I the girl when I have nothing. When party I keep, them have them last money, them go borrow them friend here and sit down on the bed and do it, the eyelash. Borrow this in a party. I go pay your mate, back, boop, boop, boop. Tomorrow morning, everybody dead for hungry. When I go a party and itch on a table and drink liquor until you turn over. Tomorrow morning, when you sleep and wake and you look for your pity them, so you got to say, oh, Jesus Christ, what am I going to do? Because I spend the food money last night, I go do me here.
Yes, put in the comment section what tricks does Rosealee have up her sleeve. Because you know she's up to something. You see what I say? But anyway, people, like I said, you can go and subscribe to them. Subscription tomorrow if you want to check out them Valentines and all of these things that Kim is planning for Rose. Hopefully she gets somebody. You see what I say? But like I said before, go on my mix-up and things channel and check out that story that we look at it. And you know we do a thing pan skeng and think. And we're not going to long it out, run so no longer. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified when we drop the latest though. Bless.